Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Apple Pay funding screen in FOMO app stock not loading or showing the Apple Pay button at all? Here's the fix. First go to your settings, then go to wallet. Once you're there, go ahead and confirm you actually have a valid card set up in the Apple Pay, since funding button won't display properly if the Apple Pay itself isn't fully configured on your device. Next, in the settings, go to Face ID and passcode and confirm from the Apple Pay is enabled to use Face ID or passcode, since a permission mismatch here can silently block the funding screen from loading. Force close the FOMO app completely from your recent apps, then reopen it fresh. After that, in the settings app, go ahead and turn airplane mode on for about 15 seconds and turn it back off to reset your connection, since the funding screen needs a live connection to display correctly. If it still won't load, restart the iPhone completely, since this clears the stock Apple Pay session at the system level. So all you've got to do is confirm Apple Pay setup correctly, reset your connection, force close and reopen, and restart if needed. The funding screen loads and that's it. Subscribe.